How to pay the credit card bill in the RBC application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In order to pay a credit card bill in RBC app, here is the process. Head over to your RBC application and log in. Once that is done, tap on the Move Money section, which is on the bottom right corner. After that, tap on Pay a Bill located at the second on the application. Once you click on it, you will land to this page. Tap on Pay a Bill section. After that, you have to give in all the details such as from account, the amount to transfer or pay, the to account, the date, and the frequency. Make sure to tap on each of the option and fill in the details. Once you have done all of this, you will land to another page by tapping on Continue. Tap on Pay Now, and once that is done, you have successfully paid for the credit card bill. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.